Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to transfer crypto from Revolut to wallet. So in order to do this, you first have to launch your Revolut mobile application. Now once you are on the home page, you need to go to the crypto tab in the top, and after that among the given options, you need to tap on send button. Then you need to choose the cryptocurrency that you would like to send. After that, you need to select one of the already added compatible wallet, or if you want to add a new wallet, then you need to tap on the new button in order to add a new address. You can also paste a new wallet address in the search bar to proceed. Then you need to enter the amount that you want to withdraw or send, and then you need to tap on the send button in the bottom. Afterwards, you need to review the transfer and check the details and network to confirm, and then you need to tap on the send button in the bottom. After confirming the transaction, you can't cancel or reverse it even if the status of the transaction is pending. We can't retrieve funds sent to incorrect address or using the incorrect network, so it is highly suggested to you that before initiating a transaction, so you are suggesting to initiate a transaction with a small amount when using a new wallet for the first time to ensure that the recipient address is accurate and the withdrawals are processed correctly. If wallet isn't available, then you may be eligible for blockchain withdrawals due to your location or the selected currency. So after following these instructions, you will be able to send your crypto from Revolut to the external wallet. If the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.